tracksuits and red wine, movies for two. We'll take off our phones and we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. Cause you watch the TV, but I'm what?
We are here now in the office.
Because we are cleaning the whole.
Hello guys, welcome back another vlog.
Canada vlog. Dubai vlog. Our lunch. It's
Because we cleaned the whole.
no, we didn't clean yet. We just pull out all the things. Yeah, for our pest control will come here soon because our office is time to clean up mess.
Yeah, and we did some AC work.
Yeah, full package. And this is what we deserve. We will taste if it tastes like Philippine Jollibee.
Or not, we will rate it. Well,
Yeah.
let's start. This is pineapple juice because it comes for free. Tastes like
No, tastes like it's like water.
taste ng tira ng yung ano mo yung lata ng fruit salad.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Agree. Yeah. Murag lamig ko tubig nga gibutang nga color lang.
Rate mga 2. Mga 2.
Sorry for the brand, but this
Sorry,
is
Jollibee.
rate 2. Tastes like water. I think less sugar.
So we ordered burger, steak, and
Yeah.
chicken.
And spaghetti and yam.
And yum.
Yeah.
Pagod kami guys, as in.
Couple man jayoy.
Kala namin kaya namin ni Tin. Kala lang kala.
Tapos mag-cleaning sila. Ewan ko kung kailan. But, yeah. We are here only for pest control. Thank you, Lord. It's like Philippine burger steak.
After 9. Kasi di siya maalat.
It's creamy as well.
Rice.
But even here, gravy is so tepid.
Maliit ng gravy pero malaki yung manok.
Dapat marami ang gravy, no? Kasi mas mahal to kaysa sa i-convert mo sa Philippine.
Jollibee, baka naman. Yung hands namin.
Yeah. We just do alcohol.
Sarap.
Now it's time for the chicken.
Sarap.
Good. Hindi maalat. We're not just Bisaya, but we are Bisaya.
Super Bisaya. Spaghetti.
Nahirapan kami sa kalisod. Magtagalog. Uy!
Uy! Sige lang, uy. Routine, guys.
Yeah, our
Our,
hands-up colleague.
the most handsome colleague.
But he's married already, not it. We're not telling him.
Pretty.
Dip it
Dip.
and lick it.
And lick it. Sarap. Nung high school ako ba, nabili ako ng spaghetti tapos inuulam ko.
Lagay ng plastic, tapos ganun nila yung plastic ba?
Kasi mas malasa, manggod siya. Para na din siyang minudo ba. Jollibee in Philippines.
4 years na kasi ako hindi nakauwi, guys. Kaya hindi ko alam kung magano na
4
to.
years na siya din nakauwi, guys. Kasi nakapagpangasawa siya ng lokal.
Maniwala ng buwan ka.
Kapag pangasawa ng lokal, hindi sinabi sa magulang.
Baka maniwala mo.
Pag-isara na tuloy yung ganda yun.
Tinakpan yung brand ka lang na sikat talaga.
Actually, wala talaga siyang brand yan. Brand-wise. Ay, dirty mo. We'll get in the bottom. See? After this one, tingin-tingin pa kami kung saan pwede mag-halongkat ng mga cabinet na maaaring pagtaguan ng mga oipis. Kasi marami kaming mga papel dito guys, kaya yung ipis, ginagawang tirahan yung mga papel.
Eko, babe? Eko, pineapple.
Sorry. Nauhaw na kasi ako. So bad, friend.
Hello, friend.
Sarili sikap. Gilit-gilitan muna tayo kasi gutom.
Thank you sa sponsor team. Pag-arte.
Sana all sa akin. Tanaw ganun ako kaya naman.
Harry, if you're watching.
If you're watching, Justin, this is not a soft drinks, it's a juice only.
Harry, if you're watching me, use your card. Thank you.
Order का भी करेंगे।
Excuse me again.
ऐसी पॉइंट वाली भी कैसे पाएंगे थोड़ी सी
Yung burp.
Pasugin mo ikaw. ASMR. Okay, the spirit eh.
Isog espiritu.
Busog namin guys. Snack na. Bye.
Bye.